welcome back to my channel, and today I got a different eye look. This is weird. My eyebrow looks so different right now. I cannot even tell you how awesome they look. I've been meaning to do this eyebrow style for the longest time, but I never actually make it. I never actually do it. So I don't know if I did this technique a long time before, but a friend of mine was like, hey, do you have like orange lipstick or something, because I saw this guy and blah blah, and he did a really good makeup and he hiding eyebrows and it looked super good. I was like, no. Oh my god, no. I look weird. So I was like, I don't have a orange eyeshadow, but then I keep like looking and doing more research and all that stuff. No, I didn't do any research. I'm such a liar. I listened to what she was saying, and she said that she put foundation and concealer and orange lipstick, and I was like, well, I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette that I barely use, so I basically used, which color did I use? At first I used this color right here and this two right here. Well, that's the only colors that I use. No. I use this two right here, and then I use this two, and then the first color was this one, which is called the Warm Coral, and I think this one is Cream and Banana, and then I use a little bit of cinnamon to just get more. I blend these two colors, I think, or these two colors, I don't remember. I didn't do a video. This is not in the video. I just did them and I liked them, and I was like, hey, I need to do a makeup tutorial for tomorrow, and this needs to be edited by today and tomorrow and be up at least tomorrow, not more than 10 or 9 p.m. Not more than 9 p.m. My goal is not more than 9 p.m. But if I really put my heart to it, I can easily upload this at 5 p.m. So yeah. I really got it. I put glue in it. I put a bunch of stuff, and I really love them because I wanted to like shave my my hairs right here, because I kind of don't like it that much. So I was like, I need to see how I would look with my eyebrows if I have them shaved, and how like if I would like them or not. And I actually do like it, but I don't know if I like it without makeup. So that's like the only thing that I'm not really sure if I like them without makeup, which sucks because I'm not gonna be having makeup all the time unless I do my eyebrows. Like, I can do my eyebrows all the time because that is really easy, and look at them, they look easy. So yeah, I'm excited, and I thought, hey, let me just do an eye look with this eyebrow and get a little bit of color in this channel and make more like a colorful tutorial. And so yes, this video is very weird because I have this eye look is all over the place. Like almost all of my videos, all of my tutorials are all over the place. They are so bad. I have a color palette, a color scheme palette, I don't know. I will put it right here so you guys can see it, which is the color palette that I was going to, and I really liked it. The only thing that I wasn't really hoping it would get like this, I think my problem was that instead of using the blue in my outer corner and on the crease and everywhere, I should have used the pink color and then used the blue as in the eyelid and all that stuff. But hey, it looks good. I'm not saying it looks bad. I really like the whole look, and with the eyebrows and everything. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and comment down below what you think about this eye look. What you guys think about my eyebrows. Like, do you think that I should just leave it like this, or like no, leave it the way they are? Which I don't know. I really like them like this, but I'm really not sure what to do. So yeah guys, I'm gonna let you all watch the video, and yeah, carry on. See ya.
don't mean nothing, 'cause you keep the rays from entering our love. We belong among the water, and this summer will make us stronger, stronger. 'Cause so phased, it don't mean nothing, 'cause you keep the rays from entering our love. We belong among the water, and this summer will make us stronger. 'Cause
Okay guys, I hope that you all like this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and to this video and to all of my videos, okay, all of them. So I really hope you like this tutorial. I really had so much fun making this. I look, and my eyebrows are so good. Like, I am really happy, and my lips, they look so juicy, like guys, so freaking juicy, like oh my gosh. And I haven't tried this lipstick before. Is the ColourPop. Well, I have tried the ColourPop, but not this combination. It's a ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Freakin' Frack, and this is from Beauty Control, a moisturizing lip gloss in juicy, just like my lips, guys, just like my lips. So I really like this combination, and I kind of feel like it doesn't make the eye look like hide, and it doesn't make the eye look like too pop, like really pop or anything, and it doesn't make my lips like the central the central of attention, the center of attention. There we go. It doesn't make my lips the center of attention, which I kind of like. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I would just kind of leave now. I have makeup here. My friend is coming over and she's gonna try this. She's the one that actually told me about this. I have tried it before, never worked it out, but today I tried it again a different way and a little bit of her technique of what the videos that she saw, and it worked out. It worked. It really worked. So yeah, yeah, I really hope you guys like this makeup, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again, because I am so hungry for subscribers and likes and comments and share and love and words and comments and beautiful things, and oh my god. So yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.